welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Tropical, lush garden, wooden bungalow, warm golden hour light, stone pathway leading to a dark brown/gray wooden house, large windows, interior softly lit, vibrant pink, orange, and yellow flowers surrounding the pathway, lush green foliage, palm trees, detailed textures, impressionistic lighting, soft shadows, Caribbean aesthetic, smooth stone steps, garden design, peaceful scene, detailed plants and flowers. Front view of home, exterior shot, realistic grass. Modern black house, nestled in lush tropical jungle, evening scene, warm golden orange interior light glowing through large windows, dark green foliage, paved walkway to the entrance, light gray/beige stone pathway, vibrant red flowers and plants in the landscaping, copper accents on the roof, contemporary architecture, two-story structure, detailed landscaping, smooth black exterior walls, strong shadows, impressionistic lighting. A stunning modern two-story house surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The architecture combines sleek horizontal lines with large glass windows, creating a bright and open feel. Warm wooden panels contrast elegantly with dark stone accents, giving the home a natural yet contemporary appearance. A central walkway made of smooth stone tiles leads to the front entrance, bordered by manicured lawns and vibrant tropical plants. Towering palm trees and dense foliage frame the house, blending it harmoniously into its natural environment. The warm interior lighting visible through the windows adds a cozy and inviting atmosphere to the luxurious exterior. A modern single-story house set in the midst of lush tropical greenery. The structure features a sleek, minimalist design with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, framed in black, that open up to the surrounding landscape. Warm wooden cladding and dark stone accents create a sophisticated yet natural aesthetic. A curved stone pathway, made of large circular stepping stones set in small pebbles, winds gracefully through the manicured green lawn toward the front entrance. Soft, warm lighting from inside the house spills out into the garden, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Dense foliage and tall palm trees surround the property, blending it harmoniously with nature. A modern tropical-style house surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flowers. The house features a flat roof with clean lines, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and a section clad in natural stone. A stone pathway leads through the manicured lawn to the entrance, bordered by dense tropical plants and striking bursts of orange flowers. Inside, a large, colorful artwork can be seen through the glass, adding warmth and personality to the minimalist interior. Tall palm trees and various tropical foliage create a serene, resort-like atmosphere around the home. stunning modern two-story house nestled in lush tropical greenery, with tall city skyscrapers visible in the background. The house features expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls framed in black, allowing warm golden interior lighting to spill out and create a cozy glow against the surrounding forest. The lower level opens to a sleek wooden deck with outdoor seating and a reflective pool, blending seamlessly into the landscaped garden filled with large leafy plants. A rooftop garden adds an extra touch of nature, harmonizing the architecture with its verdant environment. A luxurious modern home seamlessly integrated into lush tropical surroundings. The architecture features expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls and a cantilevered upper floor, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. The open living area flows onto a spacious wooden deck furnished with elegant seating, overlooking a serene pond filled with lily pads and surrounded by dense greenery. In the background, tall skyscrapers rise above the treetops, creating a striking contrast between urban sophistication and tranquil nature. A serene modern garden pathway leading to a stylish glass-walled house. Smooth, round stepping stones are set into a bed of small black pebbles, curving gracefully through manicured green grass. On both sides of the path, vibrant orange flowers bloom in abundance, interspersed with lush tropical plants and decorative rocks. Palm trees and dense greenery surround the scene, while warm sunlight filters through the foliage, casting a golden glow over the landscape. A hanging chair is visible on the house's covered deck, adding to the tranquil, inviting atmosphere. A charming two-story house painted in a vibrant orange hue, surrounded by lush tropical greenery. Its roof is made of rustic terracotta tiles, and the wooden framed arched windows and doors give it a warm, inviting look. A stone pathway curves gently through a colorful garden filled with blooming purple, yellow, and orange flowers, leading to the front porch shaded by the extended roof. Palm trees and dense foliage create a serene backdrop, making the home feel like a peaceful retreat hidden in nature. A modern single-story house with a sleek flat roof, surrounded by lush greenery. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows reveal the warmly lit interior, including a bedroom and living areas decorated in a minimalist yet elegant style. The exterior is lined with rich wooden decking, extending over a serene water feature with smooth stones and gentle ripples. The scene is tranquil and inviting, blending contemporary architecture with the soothing presence of nature. A sleek, modern single-story house with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, offering a full view of its warm and minimalist interior. The home is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a tranquil retreat, while a serene pond with water lilies and stepping stones enhances the natural ambience. A A stone-accented deck extends over the water, blending architecture and landscape harmoniously. In the background, tall city buildings rise above the trees, contrasting urban life with the home's peaceful, nature-immersed setting.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.